Hey, welcome to the Synergy. Is Dr. Sheun here, and I'm excited to see you again. All right. So one of the most questions I do get from clients is, why is she paying lesser premium than I'm paying, and why is she paying more than I'm paying? Okay, here is the straight answer for you. Insurance is not fast fashion; it's culture. You know, so you may have the same person, two people having the same age. However, a lot of things are totally different about you. And so that's why it's not just about picking up. I'll say it's a valid question that you're asking, because we do go to the market and we do bargain. We may, for who we are, we want to haggle here. When it comes to insurance, it's not about you haggling. It's about your situation. So if you go to comparison side and all the adverts coming in, for £10, you can get to the same amount. It's just a draw in, all right? You still get down to the nitty gritty of who you are, what you earn, your smoking status, your BMI, and trust me, that's a big one when it comes to accessing insurance. So some people may not even be qualified to have the mainstream insurance because of the BMI, all right? Or maybe because of smoking status. Now, when it comes to smoking status, all right, so I've got a true life story for you. So I was reviewing a policy for someone, and during that conversation, this person told me, okay, I don't smoke, all right. But when we start going deeper, I did realize that this person smoked. So suddenly the initial quote that we had to change, because it's not about you paying premiums, folks. It's about making sure that if life happens, or when life happens, this will actually pay out. All right, so if you are a smoker and your policy you said you're a non-smoker, all right, you may think you're circumventing the insurance company, but trust me, at claim time, the truth is going to come out. So if you've lied on your application, it's called non-disclosure, and it's a very big ground for not paying your claim. So back to the story. So this person told me I don't smoke, but I realized during the conversation that he don't smoke. So the quote had to change. And obviously, if you're a smoker, it's times 2 of what a non-smoker is going to pay on the average. Now, is it better for you to pay at that level? Yes. Because if you pay lesser at claim time, the story is going to come in. Anyways, so he said, oh, doctor, but this is too expensive. So let me come back to you. So for a few days, he didn't take action. And I did follow up and said, okay, how are you? What are we doing? He said, Doctor, I've actually gone online and I've seen it cheaper, so I rather go for the online. And the question I asked is, did you disclose that you're a smoker on the application? He said, no, they don't need to know. All right, folks, I told him point blank. In my organization, we don't do non-disclosures because we know you only pay an insurance company free money, because at claim time, they will see the truth, and the truth is going to come out. So if you're watching this and you know you've said a little bit about your medical history that is untrue, please, let's review that policy, because trust me, even if this person pays premium for the next 30 years, when it's claim time, that insurance is not going to pay out. So that's free money for the insurance. And let me come back again to BMIs. When it comes to high BMI, I'm not saying some insurance will not cover you. So at times we have to lean on non-medically underwritten policies to be able to get you in. So whatever your situation is, we will get you a cover. But stop comparing your premium with somebody else's, because there's so many moving parts, and that's why insurance is not fast fashion, it's culture. And you want to know that when you are paying out a premium, when you may need it, this is the right one that will support you during harsh times, and because hard times do come. So this is the answer to your question. Why is she paying more, or why is he paying more, or why is she paying lesser, or why is he paying lesser? It's just because there are no two situations that are exactly the same. They are not. So you may have the same age, but you're not born on the same date, right? You may have the same medical history, but some things are changing, right? You may also have maybe work in the same industry, but you don't earn the same thing. Or your life situation are totally different, because this person may have children or may not have. Or see, honestly, like I said, it's purely culture. So the dress that perfectly suits me when it's tailor-made to me would definitely not suit you perfectly. So that's why there are differences in different premiums. So wherever the amount is, whatever your situation is, we'll find it something. But stop comparing, because it's incomparable. There are no two people that are exactly the same. There are no situations that are exactly the same. Your insurance suits your situation exactly as it is. And I really do hope that as you're watching this, let's have a review of your insurance. Of course, you know what? The reason we are advisors and the reason you will not get access to what you can get online, you get better here, is because we tailor it to your situation. And then you have the extra benefit of having someone as your insurance advocate when it's claim time. Because trust me, those are a lot of landmines when it comes to you claiming. And we help you walk you down. You don't even need to pay for insurance, will pay us to help you. So let's have a review. And that's it. Insurance is not fast fashion, it's Couture.